Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to create this beautiful wedding guest look. So if you guys want to know how I've created this look, then keep on watching, and also if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get started. So first I'm going to take this Maybelline Fit Me Dewy+Smooth primer. It is a staple for winter. Next I'm going to take this NOI Bay foundation stick. It is in the deeper shade Toffee. I'm going to use this to contour my face. So for this look I want the blush and the contour, everything to come from inside. Next I'm going to take this Renee Summer Slush blush. This is a creamy blush. It's a beautiful reddish blush. I think it has a pomegranate extract, and I'm going to blend it. I have applied it on the areas I have a little bit of pigmentation, because it's a wedding guest look. I want everything to be looking flawless. Then I'm going to take this Too Faced Born This Way foundation and the Lakme Lumi cream, and I made a mixture of this and then applied it on all over my face and then blend it with a brush. This is a beautiful foundation and gives a beautiful finish. To make it more dewy, I have added this Lumi cream. Then I have used this Too Faced Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, and I have applied it to give some more coverage to my face. And then I have blended it using a beauty blender. Then for my powder I have used these two powders. One is the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 30 and the Sugar Cosmetics banana powder. The banana powder I'm going to apply it on the center portion of my face, because it is going to give little bit of highlighted effect. And the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade medium deep is I'm going to apply it on the areas, the rest of the face, because it is a little bit in darker shade. And this is going to make sure the cream products are set. For brows, I have used this one, Benefit Giving Brow, and I'm going to fill in my brows. Next I'm going to take this Huda Beauty Rose Quartz eyeshadow palette. First I'm going to use this Nykaa Eyem Bold Kajal as my base eyeshadow, and then I'm going to blend it using an angled brush, and I have applied it only on the center portion of my eyelid. Then taking this deeper shade, I'm going to set the Kajal. And I haven't used a small pencil brush so that I don't apply it all over my eyelid. Then taking this cool tone and warm tone shade, I'm going to apply it on my crease. First I'm going to dab it in the crease area, and then I'm going to blend it. Make sure to use a small brush so that this is a darker shade and you don't smudge it in all over your eyes. Then taking this beautiful grey glittery shade, I am going to apply it on the center portion of my eyelid. Taking this light bluish color glitter, I am going to further apply it to the center portion of my eyelid to give a pop. Some more lighter shade I am going to apply to go with the eyeshadow. And yeah, I got the perfect pop now. Next I am going to apply some liner to tight line my upper lashes. Next I am going to remove the baking under my eyes. I have applied the same darker shades to my lower lash line also. Next I am going to take this lashes from lash view, and I have applied the half of the outside of the lashes. Taking this mascara from Sugar Cosmetics, I am going to apply it to connect my my real and the fake lashes, and also to my lower lash line. Now taking this Too Faced contour palette, I am going to add some shadow to my face, bronze plus contour. Taking this Renee Peachy Pink Blush Duo, and I'm going to take this pinky shade as blush. Taking this Faces Canada Ultimate Pro Makeup Fixer, I'm going to apply it on all over my face. Next time we have taken this Givenchy highlighter. And this is a very little glowy highlighter, glittery highlighter. I love to wear it for any kind of wedding looks. Next I'm going to line my lips using this Swiss Beauty lip liner. On top of it I have applied this Inside Cosmetics matte ink lip, and I'm going to apply it only on the center of my lips. This is a matte lipstick, and I'm going to slightly blend it. And let it dry for some time. On top of it I'm going to use this gloss from Renee, and this is going to give a very beautiful pouty lip. And yeah, this is my finished look. I've worn this beautiful earring that I bought it from a local shop. And yeah, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit on the like button. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.